If you sell multiple products on Shopify, organizing them properly is extremely important. Manually adding products to collections can become time-consuming, especially as your store grows. That's where automated collections, also known as smart collections, come in. Smart collections automatically add products based on rules that you create, saving you a lot of time and effort. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create automated collections in Shopify step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. Under Products, click Collections. This page contains all the collections currently available in your store. To create a new one, click the Create Collection button in the top right corner. You'll now need to give your collection a name. Enter a clear and descriptive title. For example, if you want to automatically group all your summer products together, you could name the collection Summer Collection. You can also add a description if you want. This description may appear on your online store depending on your theme, so it's a good idea to briefly explain what customers will find in that collection. Next, you'll see the Collection Types section. Shopify gives you two options, manual and automated. Since we're creating a smart collection, select automated. Once you choose this option, you'll see a new section called Conditions. Conditions are the rules Shopify uses to decide which products should automatically be included in the collection. Click the first drop-down menu and choose the type of rule you want. For example, you can create rules based on product title, product tag, price, vendor, product type, inventory stock, or many other criteria. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose you want every product tagged with summer to automatically appear in this collection. In the first dropdown, choose Product Tag. In the second dropdown, select Equals. In the final field, type Summer. From now on, any product that contains the tag Summer will automatically be added to this collection. You can also create multiple conditions. For example, you might want products to be included only if they are tagged Summer and have a price greater than $50. To add another rule, click Add Another Condition. At the top of the Conditions section, you can decide whether products must match all conditions or any condition. Selecting all conditions means every rule must be true, while any condition means products only need to match one of the rules. After setting your conditions, scroll down and choose the collection image if you want one. Collection images can make your store look more professional and help customers quickly understand what the collection contains. On the right side of the screen, you can also configure collection availability. Make sure the collection is available on your online store sales channel if you want customers to see it on your website. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Shopify will immediately begin checking your products against the rules you've created. Any matching products will automatically appear in the collection, and future products matching those rules will also be added automatically without any extra work from you. To test your smart collection, open a product and add the appropriate tag or modify its details to match your conditions. Save the product and return to the collection page. You should see the product appear automatically. To quickly recap, go to Products, click Collections, create a new collection, choose Automated, set your conditions, decide whether products must match all or any rules, save the collection, and Shopify will manage it for you. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create automated collections in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.